If you want to give something fun, an embroidered recipe towel could be just what you're looking for the holidays or any get-together that you feel like you want to bring the host a special gift. Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and we have put together Embroidered Recipe Towels 101, all the tricks that you need to know for embroidering successfully on tea towels, and how to take your favorite recipe and put it into stitches. I have picked my absolute favorite recipe and digitized it for you. It is included with this course. A special gift basket with all the ingredients could be just what you're looking for the perfect gift. A lot of you have asked over the years, how do I get so much done? Well, I do have 5 go-to recipes that I want to share with you. Now, I am more of a sewing expert than a cooking expert, but what I'm going to share with you are not only the recipes that my family loves, my favorite things to take for events or parties, and recipes that have been simplified down to super easy. Those recipes are included with this course. I'm going to teach you different ways to embroider your own recipes or even print your own recipes on fabric if you don't have an embroidery machine. These cute little bands with the flange, I'll show you options for finishing edges, whether you're doing it on a tea towel or even printing it on fun fabric like I have from spoonflower.com. When it comes to hooping and stabilizers, there's a few key things that you need to know and practice over and over for you to become professional at making these items as great gift options. Plus, I'll give you my top resources for where to find already digitized recipes that you can just purchase, download, and embroider. And when you're finished, the key steps for having the most professionally trimmed looking designs when you're done if you follow these simple guidelines. Come be inspired like I was, picking out your favorite recipes and converting them into recipe towels that will last a lifetime. Do you have a favorite grandma's cookie recipe that you want to just put on fabric and so you always have it at your fingertips? An embroidered recipe towel is exactly what you want to do. Embroider it in stitches and always have that towel handy and an easy reference when you're looking for that recipe. This could be a perfect gift for family reunions or new brides as they start their own family looking for recipes that have been passed down for generations. Any Sewing Mastery course that you purchase, you own it for life. So if you don't have time to watch it right now, purchase it and it will be there as soon as you have time to get to it. Many of our courses have free videos that you can watch to see if that course is right for you. If you're newer on your embroidery journey, we might recommend our Embroidery Essentials online course. That is our most popular course for mastering your embroidery machine. If you have a sewing machine that you're not using its full potential, those decorative stitches you want to use, that's why you bought it, check out our Stitching Cosmos online course, and I will get to sit next to you side by side. We will learn your machine together. These courses are designed to work with all brands and all models of sewing and embroidery machines. And if you have machines that have rehooping options, but you're kind of scared of those, we have a whole cloth quilt project with the designs included that you can master those features of your embroidery machine. If you're unsure which of our courses are right for you and your beautiful sewing and embroidery machines, send us an email at info@sewingmastery.com and I'll put a list together of which courses will be best for the two of you to master together. So if you're ready to start learning everything you need to know about embroidery recipe towels, enroll today.